Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into Unity 6's particle system to create an awesome, eye-catching effect. Whether you're making a fire, explosion, magic aura, or sci-fi glow, this tutorial will help you make stunning visuals for your game. So, let's jump right in. First, open Unity 6 and create a new 3D project. Now, let's add a particle system. Rename it to Magic Burst, or anything cool you like. Now, we have the default particle system, but let's make it look awesome. Let's tweak some settings to get a smooth, magical burst effect. Duration, set to 1.5 seconds for a short burst. Looping, off, so it plays only once. Start lifetime, 0.8 to 1.5. Random range for a natural feel. Start speed, 2 to 5, adds variation. Shape module, change to sphere with a radius of 0.5 for a compact burst. Now, when you press play, the particles spread out in a nice burst. Let's add some beautiful colors to make it stand out. Enable color over lifetime and create a gradient. Start with a bright blue. Fade into a soft white glow. Finally, disappear into transparent. Set rate over time to 0. Add a burst, 50 particles in 0.1 second, for a smooth explosion. Perfect, we got some colors on the particle. Now, let's make it glow. Add a point light and attach it to the particle system. Set intensity to 5 for a cool energy effect. Okay, let's test. It's not looking right, the point light is not glow. Let's try to increase its intensity. It remains unchanged. Let's set it back to 2. The point light source is small, so it doesn't have enough wide angle to affect all particles. I have a better idea. Make every single particle glow itself by adding emissive material into it. Make sure Bloom post-processing is enabled. And camera enable post-processing property. Create new URP particle unlit material. Set base texture to default particle. Change surface type to transparent. And enable emissive. Set color to light blue, increase intense. Cool. Now click on Particle System, find Particle slot under Renderer tab. Then assign new material into it. Let test again. Perfect, the particles are bright and glow. To make it even more attractive, let's add some extra layers. Duplicate the Magic Burst particle system and rename it Magic Sparks. Reduce start size to 0.1 to 0.3. Increase speed for a firework-like motion. Set color over lifetime to bright yellow fading to orange. Enable Trails module for cool streak effects. Duplicate new material to create spark material. Change color to yellow. Tweak the particle color from yellow to orange. Let's test the spark particle. The trail material show pink color. That means we need to assign material for the trail material. Let's do it. Excellent, it worked. Now we have a stunning magic burst with sparkling effects. Let's make the skybox black, to make particle more attractive. Update the camera background to black. Now that everything looks awesome, let's test it out. And just like that, you've created a beautiful particle system in Unity. Want the project files? Check out my Patreon for exclusive content. Let me know in the comments what effects you want to see next. You would want to add some audio effects to make it more realistic. See you next time, and happy coding.